How to assemble a glass churner. This video will show you the details. Firstly, you need to connect the churner with the metal lid. The metal lid is made of food-grade 304 stainless steel material, and the churner consists of high-quality silicone material. Next, when you assemble the handle, make sure all the accessories are used. These metal accessories adopt food-grade 304 stainless steel material as well. Besides, in order to improve hand feeling, we use eco-friendly bamboo material in the handle. Finally, when all the accessories involved are assembled, do remember to tighten the screws in the handle and metal lid before using. Here is the finished product.